was just another day in the neighborhood when something was misunderstood. Asleep I was under a tree when all the rain did seep away with me. I awoke in all the grassy green. Nothing was what it seemed to be. I didn't know a thing to do. Someone asked me what I see is only you. And in the field I had a fall. I thought I had it all, but how wrong I was. I turned and found myself a friend who helped me learn to smile again. We danced by the light of the moon. She said, relax, you're growing up too soon. I woke to find it all a dream, merely a rainy fantasy. I hope to start it all over again. I hope I learn to smile until then. I hope I learn to smile until then.